We live in a world ruled by money. It's considered the lifeblood of our daily existence, influencing almost every aspect of our lives. It's how we pay rent, buy groceries, and cover our basic needs. It's also how we enjoy life's little pleasures, like dining out with family, grabbing a coffee with friends, or spending a day at the park. Yet despite its importance, many of us lack a basic understanding of how money works. This can lead to stress, confusion, and poor financial decisions. That's where financial education comes in. It provides the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the financial landscape. Financial education is like learning a new language, the language of money. It involves understanding concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. It's about understanding how to manage your finances effectively, make informed decisions, plan for the future, and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a student just starting out, a young professional building your career, or nearing retirement and planning your golden years, financial literacy is essential for everyone. It transcends age, background, and profession. It empowers you to take control of your money instead of letting it control you. With financial literacy, you can make confident decisions and secure your financial future. Think of it this way. You wouldn't drive a car without knowing the rules of the road. Just as driving requires knowledge and practice, similarly, navigating the complex world of finance requires knowledge and skills. It's a journey that starts with education and continues with experience. Financial education equips you with the tools you need to drive your financial journey confidently. It helps you set goals, create plans, and achieve financial success. Financial education is not just about becoming wealthy. It's about achieving financial well-being and peace of mind. It's about having the knowledge and confidence to make sound financial decisions that align with your values and goals. Imagine being able to create a realistic budget that works for you. No more wondering where your money went. You'll be able to build the money you need for your dream vacation or a down payment on a house. Financial freedom is within reach. Invest wisely and grow your wealth over time. Avoid common financial pitfalls like debt traps and scams. Financial education empowers you to do all of this and more. It's about making your money work for you, not against you. Here's a sobering fact. Financial illiteracy is a widespread problem. According to a recent survey by the S&P Global FinLit, only 33% of adults globally are financially literate. That means most of the world's adult population struggles with basic financial concepts. This lack of knowledge can have serious consequences, leading to debt, stress, and missed opportunities. The good news is that financial education is the key to breaking this cycle. By investing in your financial knowledge, you're investing in a more secure and prosperous future. One of the most fundamental aspects of financial education is budgeting. It's the cornerstone of managing your finances effectively. It may sound intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. Budgeting is not just for financial experts. It's a tool everyone can use to take control of their money. Budgeting is about understanding how much money you earn, how much you spend, and where your money goes each month. By tracking these details, you gain a clearer picture of your financial health. It's about making conscious choices about your spending habits and aligning them with your financial goals. This means prioritizing your needs over your wants and planning for future expenses. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Write down every purchase, no matter how small, and categorize them to see where your money is going. You might be surprised to discover where your money is actually going. Often, small, frequent purchases add up more than we realize. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can create a budget that allocates funds for your needs, wants, and savings goals. This helps you avoid overspending and ensures that your money can actually work for you over time. There are countless budgeting apps and tools available to simplify the process. These tools can help you track your spending, set financial goals, and even alert you when you're close to overspending. Remember, a budget is not about restricting yourself. It's about empowering yourself to make informed financial decisions. With a budget, you can enjoy your money without guilt and work towards a secure financial future. Small steps, big rewards. Saving is another crucial aspect of financial well-being. It's about setting aside a portion of your income regularly to achieve your short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, your child's education, or a comfortable retirement, the power of compound interest can work wonders for your savings over time. Even small, consistent savings can add up significantly over the years. The key is to start early and make saving a habit. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you're less likely to spend the money you intend to save. Growing your money for the future. Investing is like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. It's about putting your money to work for you so it can generate returns over time. However, the world of investing can seem daunting, especially for beginners. There are countless investment options, each with its own level of risk and potential reward. That's why it's essential to educate yourself about different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes is key to mitigating risk. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to create an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember that investing is a long-term game. What the gurus say about financial education. Let's delve into the insights and wisdom shared by some of the most respected financial experts in the world. Listen to what the gurus have to say about the importance of financial education and literacy. Financial experts around the world emphasize the importance of financial literacy. They believe that understanding how money works is crucial for making informed decisions and achieving long-term financial success. Here's what some of them have to say. Their words of wisdom can guide us on the path to financial freedom and security. Warren Buffett, renowned investor and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, famously said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." He emphasizes that continuous learning and education are key to financial success. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, understands that we were not taught financial literacy in school. It takes a lot of work and time to change your thinking and to become financially literate. Therefore, he stresses that understanding financial principles can transform your financial future. Dave Ramsey, an American radio personality who offers financial advice, advises, "You must gain control over your money or the lack of it will forever control you." He highlights the importance of taking charge of your financial situation. These experts agree that financial education is not a luxury. It's a necessity for anyone who wants to achieve financial security and freedom. By learning from their insights and applying their advice, we can all work towards a more secure financial future. Resources and tools to get you started. The good news is that there are more resources available than ever before to help you embark on your financial education journey. Online courses, workshops, and websites like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer free or low-cost courses on personal finance, investing, and more. Books and podcasts also contain a wealth of information hosted by financial experts. Check out titles by Suze Orman, Ramit Sethi, Grant Cardone, and Tiffany Aliche for practical advice. You can consider consulting with a certified financial planner who can provide personalized guidance based on your unique situation. Remember, the best time to start your financial education was yesterday. The second best time is now. It's never too early or too late. Financial education is not just for adults. It's actually never too early to start teaching children about money management. In fact, studies show that children as young as 3 years old can grasp basic financial concepts. By teaching kids about saving, spending, and giving, we can empower them to become financially responsible adults. It's also never too late to learn. Whether you're in your 20s, 50s, or beyond, it's always a good time to improve your financial literacy. Real-life success stories. Countless individuals have transformed their lives through financial education. Take, for example, Tony Robbins, a successful American author, speaker, and wealth coach who advocates for financial literacy. He shares his journey of overcoming debt and achieving financial freedom through education, discipline, and a growth mindset. Another inspiring story is that of Tiffany Aliche, also known as the Budgetnista. She went from being in debt to becoming a millionaire by educating herself about personal finance and sharing her knowledge with others. These stories demonstrate that financial transformation is possible for anyone willing to put in the effort to learn and grow. Take control and build a brighter future. Financial education is not a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey of learning and growth. It's about empowering yourself with the knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions that shape your future. The journey may seem daunting at first, but remember that even small steps can lead to significant progress over time. Start by setting realistic financial goals, creating a budget, and exploring the many resources available to expand your financial literacy. The future belongs to those who are financially literate. Take control of your finances today and build the brighter future you deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful financial tips and advice. Until next time, always believe in yourself because your financial future depends on it.